Good morning, students. Let's begin our lesson. We'll start the module 2, Exercise and Sport. The theme of our lesson, National Games. Lesson objectives of our lesson: ask complex questions to get information about sporting events. Discuss and talk about sporting events around the world. Now, look at these pictures. Match the sports to the events. Have you been to any of these races? Let's listen to 3 people talking about major sporting events around the world.
Speaker 1.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to one of London's most popular sporting events, Wimbledon. At 11 a.m. today, the championships begin with Roger Federer and Andy Murray on court 1. It is going to be an exciting match of speed, strength and skill. Let's just hope the players have brought enough rackets.
Speaker 2. The long-awaited USA Masters tournament is coming live to Channel 10 thanks to golfing equipment experts Clubs Inc. The championship starts at 10 a.m. Monday and promises to be a great event with big names, including Tiger Woods and Jordan Spieth. Speaker 3.
We are live now at the Gabba Stadium in Brisbane, Australia, for the start of the first test of the Ashes series, Australia versus England. In just a few minutes at 9 a.m., the series will start. Batsmen Stephen Smith and David Warner have their helmets on and are in position on the pitch, ready to hit the first ball.
Can you guess the sport? Listen to the speaks again and take notice. In pairs, ask and answer questions about the sporting events, using what, where, when, who, as in the example. Let's watch the video National Games.
National Games. A lot of countries have their own special sports or games. Let's look at 4 sporting events that are famous worldwide. There are a few major horse racing events around the world, but Royal Ascot is one of the best to visit. The traditions, food and fashion related to the event add to its glamour. Taking place near Windsor Castle in England every summer, it is attended by the royal family. Formula 1 racing is the fastest and most exciting motorsport in the world. Today, Formula 1 World Championship races are hosted in around 20 countries, including Brazil, Italy, Monaco, and Australia, attracting millions of TV viewers worldwide. Sailing is a popular pastime and sport in coastal and island countries around the world. Since 1945, Sydney Hobart Yacht Race in Australia has attracted sailors from across the globe, competing in one of the world's most iconic and oldest yacht races. The triathlon is one of the most demanding sporting events you can try, featuring a long swim, a challenging cycle, and an exhausting run. Finally, the triathlon swim is a race that officially became an Olympic sport in the 2000 Sydney Summer Olympics. In 2018, one of the longest triathlons, the Ironman event, took place in Nur-Sultan in Kazakhstan. Have you ever watched any of these events? What's the biggest sporting event in your country?
Now you have watched the video and now match the statements to the correct sporting event. Then answer to these questions. Are you a sports person? Do you like attending sporting events? Why? Why not? Write down your homework. Your homework will be exercise 4, page 17. You must describe a famous sporting event in your country. Are there similar sporting events in your country? Where and when are they held? Which one did you attend last year? Today, we have talked about national games and sporting events around the world. And you have asked and answered questions about the sporting events using what, where, when, and who. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.